Okay, guys, so this girl says, come to my den if you have open sign. And I go to her den, and she says, she trades me a cactus and a beta cactus and candy cane socks. I say, no, can you add? And I'm like, can you add a shark fin? And she was like, deleted it. And I'm like, bruh. So then I just left. I went to my den, and she follows me, and she says, "Oh, and you were scamming me." So, and then I just locked her out of my den, and she said, "I reported you in a jammergram." And I'm like, "Boy!" So I go to Jammer Township, and I say, "Report Firefly Field," which is this person. I'll show you right here. Firefly Field. And I go to Jammer Township, and I see her, and she says, "Report Cougar Queen for scamming." Bruh, I didn't scam you. I just declined the trade. This person, really, like, really? You have to have some more sense than that. So, of course, no one can mess with me. So I'm gonna talk to AJ all about this because no one can get away with that with me. So, everyone, report Firefly Field for being a real. Where is she? She talking to me? You just put it in the buddy system, you know. That's real messed up of her. That is real messed up. And no one can mess with me, because if you mess with me, boy, it never ends. You should have never even started it. So, yeah. That was pretty messed up of her. Look at, she has nerves and all this. And what? I bet she scammed for those. How much you want to bet? I want to see how she reacts when I say that I'm recording. Um, Modder can also decide if you're abusing the feature. Remember, you can also choose to ignore the player. Yes. I'm gonna go to her den and oh, can I please? No, I'm not that dumb. See, that's her. That's her. Report Cougar Cream for saying I scam and she tried to scam me. Well, I do agree. She didn't scam me, but what am I gonna say? This is her. This is her. Boy, it's never gonna end for you now. Report Firefly Field for scamming. Oh, she gets on my nerves. I should have never even done that. I should have never gone there. I regret it now. But she should regret putting that out because it's not gonna end for her. Like, bruh, once you mess with me, it's never ending. Like, bruh, you better run. Run, boy. Man. Like, she really messed up. Keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Yeah, so she messed up. She really messed up. She's right there. Ew, that was gross. Ooh. Yo, I'm gonna talk to AJ all about this, and I'm gonna keep bugging them until they ban her account. Don't mess with Cougar. What you want, kid? Wait. I think anyone would accept that trade. Ooh, she pushed it in there. I did not scam. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. She's scamming by saying I scammed. You tried. Wow! Wow, nice story. By the way, I'm recording. How did I scam? Same. How did I scam? I didn't take anything. I did nothing. Brat. Same. I did nothing. Bro. Ooh. I hate her. My baby sister just. I don't care. Oh, I don't care. You tried to scam for my baby. Report. Oh, my mom's home. Okay. Okay, so I told her, let's go to my den so we can talk this out because I'm the better person, obviously. So, do you know what a scam is? I mean, damn. You're gonna say, I scammed you, and then you're just gonna say, I didn't take anything. Yes, bro. I ain't your bro. I ain't your bro. Okay. Doesn't everyone? Well, okay, be quiet, because I'm trying to talk, okay? Shut it. Well, kid, do you want me to just turn the whole TV off? Okay, well, you gotta wait, because I'm busy, okay? Wait. Ugh, I'm in a bad mood now. Don't answer that. What? I was looking away from the computer. Maybe she said something else. Well, apparently, you don't know the difference. But Gianna, shut up! You want me to turn the TV off? Okay, I'm gonna turn the TV off. Let me quiet. I'm busy. But you were trying to get me to overtrade. Boy, you can easily say no, thank you. Simple is that, which is like scam. Oh! Oh, I said wisely. Okay, shut up, kid. Be quiet. I'm really angry right now. What do you want to watch? This weird Ryan toy review, dude? Okay, the creepy dolls. Okay. I'm recording. Recording. Damn it. Like, oh, she got me on my bad side now. I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about this one bit. She's just silent now. She's just silent. Oh, I'm really mad. Just gonna stay silent? Okay. Be like that. Wow, okay. So, guys, tell me. Oh, can we do this later, buddy? Do spike giveaway. Can we do this later? What? I wish there was a rolling eyes emoji. Boy, no, get out. She was being real messed up. Ooh, I wish I was recording that trade. You were trying to get me to overtrade. Okay, first off, I haven't been in AJ that long. I just came back from a couple of years, and from what I know this open sign is worth something. It's not worth some candy cane socks and a shark fin. Well, I don't even know. So you gotta participate with me. You can easily just say, sorry, that's an overtrade. No, thank you. I'll just go back to my den. You don't gotta make a big old fit and saying she's scamming me. Oh, I hate her. I hate her for life. Guys, please report her. She's not a good person. Anyone who takes her side, I will be like super mad at it. Like why? Why Firefly Fields? That's oh. Fire. Why? Well, oh well. Thanks for watching, I guess. I'm in a super cranky mood now.